Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna do a foundation wear test with Japan's #1 foundation. This is also the #1 selling foundation on Amazon. It has taken the internet by storm. I am sure that you have seen this little adorable red compact from TirTir. And I had the opportunity to try this, I want to say like over a month ago. You saw influencers everywhere getting packages. I got one as well. This really excites me because I do love a good cushion foundation. I have a lot to say about the product, the formula, the shade range. We are going to go in with a full day intense wear test because something about this product is that it does claim to be a 72-hour wear product. Am I going to wear it for 72 hours? No. Do we remember way back when I would test drive products, literally sleep in them, 24-hour makeup wear tests? I have been doing this for a long time, and those tests always kind of just left my pillowcase filled with makeup. I know by the end of the day if a product is long wearing or not, and this is not my first try with TirTir. This is actually a sponsored video. We are partnered, and I'm so excited about it because I tried the product, I fell in love, and then they offered a collaboration, so why not? I thought I would do this and share with you all of my techniques for application and show you how the product wears all day long. Now, what I like about the formula the most is how lightweight it is. You guys always know I use the word crinklify, or I don't want something that sits on top of the skin. I want fuller coverage, which this does provide, but you don't want it to be like, ooh, cake face, like look at that thick makeup. And this is not that kind of a product. And that is why I love cushion foundations as a whole so much. However, there are so many brands that don't have an expansive shade range. TirTir is one of the few that has an expansive shade range beyond just 3 shades. How cute is this? All the little compacts here. There's your little TirTir compact and all of the different shade ranges. Currently, this is in 20 different shades. I heard from someone that they're expanding from 20 shades into 30, and this is a brand to definitely watch. I am so thoroughly mystified by this formula. I want to tell you no BS, this is something that I will be incorporating in my day-to-day routine. It is so freaking good. This is one of the best cushion foundation formulas I have ever tried. No joke. It's also not crazy expensive. I do have a code for you guys. If you are interested, the link will be in the description box below. You can save 30% off by using the code 30Tati on Amazon. That will bring the price of this down from $29 to $20. So in my mind, I'm like, hey, that's pretty much drugstore pricing. The formula is so elevated, elegant, long wearing. It is a semi-matte finish. It's good for all skin types. The list goes on, but really the proof is in the pudding. So let's scooch in a little bit closer and I will show you guys how I use the TirTir beautiful cushion foundation. All right, I'm gonna admit to you guys, like this is kind of embarrassing, but I was calling the brand TirTir. Oh my God. Like on TikTok, people are like, oh, do you have any new skincare that you're liking? And I'm like, TirTir. I was like, what else would it be called? It's TirTir, which is so much more elegant. TirTir. I was saying it so wrong. We will talk a little bit of their skincare. I've tried a bunch from them, and there are 2 products that are standouts for me so far. I love K-Beauty. You know, their skincare is amazing. So when we move skincare into foundation and it's kind of hybridized, I am here for it. This is going to be good for all skin types. I have to reiterate that. That's really special about this formula. You could have oily skin, you could have dry skin. Both skin types can wear this and not have issues. It's really transfer proof, budge proof. Once you have it on, it's kind of sealed in and done. We're going to do something so rare today, and I am not going to use a primer. I know, who is she? We're gonna kind of go in a little bit with a clean girl vibe. This is something that I would recommend to any makeup lover that wants fast makeup, which pretty much is all of us. The applicator is gorgeous. I normally do not like the applicators that come with cushion foundation. I usually just get rid of them and think they're a waste of time, but this one picks up the product beautifully, pats it and presses it into the skin gorgeously. And I love the shape of the compact, just everything through and through. You can put your applicator up here. You have your mirror, bam. You can take this on the go for touch-ups. You can have this with you if you're not at home and you have like a small makeup bag to get ready in the morning. This is gonna be your one and done. You don't even have to powder if you don't want to. I am gonna powder. Let's get into the magic of this formula. I'm gonna go ahead and press in. The product is in the sponge, so you're gonna wanna press not too firmly, but you definitely wanna dab, dab, dab and get product on the actual applicator. What we're gonna do now, and I want you to really see how easily I'm able to cover all of this up with such a thin formulation. I'm going to stamp the skin. Are we seeing this? This is the shade 27N. And that is just one stamp of the product. I actually can go on to the other side of the face a little bit. This stuff stretches like you would not believe. If I can get my whole face done with one dunk, I am gonna be amazed. I usually do 2 dunks, but for some reason, it's stretching. You can see how high coverage it is. It is a thin formula. It's not gonna dry down too quickly, but you don't want to just like not blend it. You wanna get it patted in and done. You can take your fingers, if you have a real rough time around your nose like I do, just kind of pat around the edge of your nose. I'm trying to not get my mouth because I did not take off my lip gloss. I mean, is that not insanity how it covered everything with literally one dunk? It is a semi-matte finish, so you do have a little bit of that glow on the skin. I am going to finish up my makeup, set the face and all of that, but what's really nice about this is once it sets, it's not moving. We're not gonna get any patchiness happening throughout the day, and it does not give a dehydrated appearance to the skin halfway through the day, how some other skin tint products that I've tried have had that happen. I do wanna put on a little bit of concealer. Like, this is so full coverage, it's almost making the face look like one-dimensional right now because it did such a good job covering that I need to now balance and bring some shape back into it. The transfer proof statement was literally clinically tested to be perfect for wearing masks. We're not in that era anymore, bless it. You know what I'm saying? But to me, that shows that there was some attempt and there's technology within this formula to make it set really intensely and not transfer, which I hate it. If you go to give someone a hug and half your face is on their shirt, oh my gosh. So just like, oh, it's so embarrassing. Like, you feel bad. I do not like that. So I love a good transfer resistant formula. This is also crease resistant. The skincare ingredients in here, by the way, are red propolis and hibiscus. So you're getting nourishing ingredients with that long wear formula. Sometimes longer wearing formulas can really tend to dehydrate the skin or just do a number on the skin if you wear it too often. This is so lightweight that I feel like I haven't had a problem wearing it consecutive days, and I do really love that. I want to take down some of the glow just for me with how my skin is, so I am going to powder. Taking a little bit of Huda Beauty. Let's finish the face. Pro tip, if you need to go down the neck at all, like I'm finding that I want to blend down the neck just a little bit more, I am gonna go in lightly, tap, do not dunk, because this sponge right here, product will come out as you press it. That is how the applicator gets the product on it. So be careful doing this, but I just wanna make sure I'm blended through here. Let's do the rest of the makeup, fast forward that session, and then I will do a bunch of check-ins, and we're gonna wear this past midnight, do that full day wear test. All right, the makeup is on. I have to go run a few errands. We will do some check-ins, some more close-ups, and see how everything is holding up. So far, so good. I'm loving this clean look. It feels really lightweight, and I can tell it's all locked in and not gonna budge. So I will see you guys in a little bit. This makeup is so out of control. I do not know how it holds so well. It has like the nicest like dewiness to it, but it's still coveragey. It's not patchy. It doesn't look oily though. It's like a nice natural finish, not greasy. It just looks like good skin. I'm loving it. Okay, this is my new space that I'm kind of putting together. I'm gonna give you a little tour. There's not a lot going on, but this is my new obsession, this little walkable treadmill. And then I have my iPad phone stand. So I walk in the evenings. I got this off TikTok. It's like the most wonderful purchase. I am gonna put a cool chair over here, mysterious staircase. This is where it leads. I'm putting a fashion office kind of a thing together. This room was empty for the longest time. It was gonna be a guest room or kids room, but that didn't happen. And so I'm just making it the best I can. New things to try on, and I'm having fun with that. Oh, and how cute are my shoes right now? They're so cute. Also, I was a little bit worried that in camera the foundation looked a little bit dark, but I just want you to see that it actually is a good match with my arms. My body is a little bit darker than my face right now, and I think it looks like a nice match. Yes, I'm very pleased. Ah, where did I set my phone down? Also, the Target dress, you guys, this is like $20, $25. These are a Cape Robin. You guys know how I feel about Cape Robin. Oh my goodness, the most comfortable, cute sandals ever. And then this dress is like rouged on the side, so flattering. All right, I'm out the door. The makeup is still holding so well, and it's humid and crazy weather, and it should be slip and sliding off my face, but it's not. It is now like past 8 o'clock. We're picking up some groceries at Sprouts, and here's your additional check-in. Not too shabby. Someone has an issue. Really? What's it?
No, I can't find them anywhere, and they're delicious. It's the best ever. Remember like Planters cheese puffs as a kid? Well, these are healthy. They're made with avocado oil, so they're good for you.
Got it. It is now 12. Oh, you're right here with it. It is 12 o'clock, 12:11. And I'm also drinking a Recess, which is making me more tired right now. This is a magnesium drink that I am obsessed with, but I am ready to go to bed. Let's do this. I'm gonna lean in and show you guys. This is with no, I repeat, no touch-ups, no powder, no nothing. This is held beautifully. I'm gonna show you what I would do for like a quick touch-up if I wanted to revive things in a snap, which you can do so easily. Like if you found yourself not liking a little bit of the glow, really easy to take a little bit of loose powder, pressed powder, what have you, and just go right on top of it, bring it back to life. Truly one of the prettiest long wear foundations that provides high coverage with not a lot of product, really thin texture. I'm gonna be reaching for this over and over and over and over, and I love it. And I'm so happy to share it with you guys. Thank you so much to TirTir for partnering with me on this video. Be sure to use the code 30Tati on Amazon. I will have it linked in the description. This was not supposed to be a part of this video, but I wanted to share with you guys some other things that I personally am using. The brand doesn't know that I'm gonna talk about these items, but hey, more is more. I really enjoy their Milk Skin Toner. I've been using this nonstop. And I also love their Pure Vitamin C24 Serum with 24% of vitamin C, triple collagen, and I always say this wrong, Cica 7 complex. It's late, forgive me, have forgiveness. But this one is a little bit oily, and I like doing my morning lymphatic massage with it. I'm all about using vitamin C in the morning, something to exfoliate in the evening. So this is my AM get down right now. And that is it. James is literally standing behind the camera. Why are you in here?
I thought you were going to ask me what I thought of the foundation.
Oh my gosh. I was like just going and I'm like, why are you still in here? Are we both that tired? What do you think of the foundation?
I thought it was great. At first, I thought it was a little bit darker than what you would normally wear, but
it matches my skin.
And it's held up well.
Yeah.
It's like not peeling or falling off. It stayed.
Yes. 2 thumbs up. I will continue trying more from the brand. I think this is a hot one. Check them out. Links in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go to bed. I love you all so much. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Ring that bell, turn the notifications on. Go have a good one. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah.